Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, today we are going to learn about one new number. But before starting today's topic, I will show you two numbers. So, you have to identify which numbers are there. Okay? So, kids, can you tell me which number is this? Yes, very good. This is number 1. This is number 1. Okay. So now kids, can you tell me which number is this? Can you tell me, kids? Yes, great. This is number 9. This is number 9. So kids, when number 1 and number 9 comes together, it is called number 19. Okay, 19. So kids, today we are going to learn about the number 19. Okay, so I have one worksheet for you to understand this number. So here we have number 19. 19. So kids, what is the formation of number 19? For number 1, you have to make one standing line. Okay, and for number 9, first you have to make left curve, then you have to make standing line. So this is number 19. Okay, so kids, see downside. I have placed here some small ships. Okay, so we have to count how many ships we have. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, and 1, 9, 19. So we have 19 ships. How many ships we have? 19 ships. Okay, kids? So kids, look, which number is this? This is number 1. Okay, and this is number 9. So kids, number 1 and number 9 is called together 19. Okay, so kids, now see what is the formation of number 19. Okay, so for number 1, you have to make one standing line. Okay, for number 1, you have to make first one standing line. Okay, then for number 9, first you have to make left curve. Okay, first you have to make left curve. Then you have to make one standing line. Okay, for number 9, first you have to make left curve, then you have to make one standing line. Okay, so this is the formation of number 19. Okay, kids, now I have some triangle shapes and some square shapes. Okay, so we have to count how many shapes we have. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, and 1, 9, 19. Okay, 1, 9, 19. So we have 19 shapes. Okay. Now kids, it's activity time. So kids, this is our today's activity. Okay. So this is our number 19 activity. So kids, can you see we have one activity board. Okay. And on this activity board, we have some bulbs here. Okay, so what you have to do, kids? In this board we have different bulbs which has different numbers. Okay, so we have one switch here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to light the bulb which has number 19 like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take yellow crayon and color the bulb which has number 19. So let's start to color the bulb. Okay, so where is number 19 bulb? Yes, here we have. Okay, so we have to color this bulb which has number 19. Okay, now see, any more number 19 bulb is there? Yes, we have one more bulb here. So you have to color this also. Okay, like this. Now any more bulb is there? So kids, like this you have to complete this light box. Okay, the bulb you have to light which has number 19 like this. Okay, so this is our today's activity and I hope you enjoyed this activity very well. Okay, bye bye. So kids, now I am taking work in our book, Candy Number book. Okay, so very first you have to write here CW and today's date like this. Okay, now see, our question is trace and color the number 1919. Okay, so kids, you can see we have one big number 19, one big number 1 and one big number 9. So what you have to do, first you have to trace it, then you have to color this number 19. Okay, so first you have to trace it like this. Okay, up to down. Okay, up to down. Like this kids, you have to trace this number 1. Okay, now you have to trace this number 19. Okay, so you have to start from here. First you have to make a left curve. Okay, first you have to make left curve. Okay, then you have to make one standing line. Okay, then you have to complete this line also. Here also you have to make one standing line like this. So kids, like this you have to trace first this number 1 and this number 9. Okay, so 1990. Now what you have to do, you have to color this number 1919. So kids, like this you have to color your number 19, 1919. Okay kids, and when you finish this coloring part, then come downside. So what is your next part? Trace and write the number 19. Okay, so you can see this is your tracing line. So first you have to trace this all number 19s. Okay, so let's start from here. Very first you have to make one standing line for number 1 like this, 1. Okay, then for number 9, first you have to make one left curve. So you have to start from this middle dot. Okay, then first you have to make right curve. Okay, then you have to make standing line like this. Okay, so this is 1919. Okay, again first you have to make one standing line. Okay, then from here you have to make one left curve. Okay, then stop here, then from here come downside and make one standing line. Okay, so like this you have to complete your tracing line. Now kids, you have to write here number 19. So what you have to do, first you have to make here one dot. Okay, and one dot you have to make here also. Then from this first dot you have to make one standing line like this. This is number 1. You have to touch this blue line. Okay. Then from this dot first you have to make one left curve. Okay. Then go up. Then from here you have to make one standing line. Okay, so this is your number 19. Again make 2 dots. Then first you have to make one standing line for number 1. Okay, then from this dot first you have to make one left curve. Then stop here. From here you have to make one standing line. Okay, so kids, like this you have to make number 19. Okay, so kids, you have to start from this 2 dots and you have to touch this blue line. Okay, don't make number 19 like this in the middle of this box. Okay, if you are making like this, this is a wrong formation. You have to touch this both numbers on this blue line. Okay, so this is your right formation. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete your CW page. Now kids, come to our next page. Okay, so you can see here we have one small activity. So what you have to do, count the pencils and circle the correct number. So here we have some pencils. So you have to count and find out which number is correct and then you have to circle the correct number. So let's count how many pencils we have. So count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. Okay, so where is 1, 9, 19? This, no, this, no, yes. This is 1, 9, 19. So you have to circle this number 19. Okay, now see downside, trace and write the number 19. Okay, on this page, this is the same part like your CW section. So first you have to complete this tracing line same as CW. Then downside you have to write number 19 like your CW page. Okay, so complete your CW and HW page. Okay kids.